We are pleased to show you the 2019 Impala. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, alloy wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, fog lights, braking assist, outside temperature gauge, power brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, airbags, front knee, keyless entry, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, MP3 player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.